Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have an ECM Giotto that was brought here because the hot water was not coming out, so we ended up replacing this and giving a tune up to the machine. And as you can see now, our water coming out through the heat and steamer having really good pressure as well. This is the old screen and the old gasket, and as you can see, it's completely clogged. You can pretty much not see through it at all. And just for comparison, this is a gasket. This is the older gasket. As you can see, it's completely dry and just completely cracking there, not like this one. And a shower screen should look I don't have a shower screen like that over here, but you can, on a regular one, you could probably see through all these little holes, not like this, which is completely clogged. So we ended up replacing that, deep cleaning the group head, back flushing it, descaling the machine, and pretty much make sure that everything is working perfectly and normally. So let's just put a shot of espresso to test the machine out. Hopefully I got the grind set up correctly, and as you can see, it needed to be a little bit more finer. You can see it's spraying all over it. It still is going to produce some crema, but not as much as a fine grind. And just to show you the screen, there you go, completely clean, good water flow, the machine working perfectly fine. Okay, thank you for playing with Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.